Hi guys, today's topic is OOPS. First we discuss about what is OOPS. OOPS means Object Oriented Programming Language. Java is the Object Oriented Programming Language. First we discuss about what is OOPS. OOPS is in a Java to improve the readability readability of a code or defining Java program or we can achieve the efficiency in a Java program. The some main pillar in a OOPS we discuss in this video. The basically four main pillar in a OOPS is important. First is abstraction, second is polymorphism, third encapsulation, and fourth one is inheritance, and another one is association, aggregation, and composition. This is not much more important. That's why we discuss about this point later. First we discuss about what is class and object in object oriented programming language. First we discuss about class. Class is the one of the basic component of OOPS, which is group of a similar entities. That means it is a blueprint. We can store the only logical thing inside the class. That is called as class. And second one is object. Object can be defined as the instance of a class. Object is called as the real-time entity which have a state and behavior. First we discuss about what is inheritance. Inheritance is the relation between child and parent classes. That means you can acquire the all properties to child class. That is inheritance. The second one is abstraction. Abstraction is the one of the OOPS concept in Java, which is act to represent showing the functionality and hiding the implementation. That means you can create a one function, then you can show the what is function of that application, but you cannot show any implementation behind the application. That is called as abstraction. Third one is encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but binding of a data or wrapping of a data. That means it is binding to function and method inside the class. That is called encapsulation. Third one is polymorphism. Polymorphism is defined as the same name with performed different type of method. That is called as polymorphism. We discuss about type of inheritance in a OOPS. There is a 5 types in a inheritance. First is single inheritance. In a single inheritance, one class extends from another class. For example, car, and the brand name is Mercedes. This is a single inheritance in a Java. We discuss about multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is extend multiple classes. For example, you can consider as the same example for a car have a multiple brands. For example, Mahindra, Tata. These are the sub part or child class in multiple inheritance. Third one is hierarchical inheritance. One class inherits many subclasses is called as hierarchical inheritance. Third one is hybrid inheritance. Inheritance is one of the inheritance type in Java, which a combination of a single and multiple inheritance. That's mean it is a one of the loop type inheritance that is iterate with or some classes or depend on each and every classes in hybrid inheritance. And last one is type. We discuss about type of inheritance. Type of polymorphism. There is a two types in a polymorphism. First is static, or we can say compile time polymorphism, and second one is dynamic. You can say another is runtime polymorphism. In a compile time polymorphism, we can achieve the function. We can achieve by the function overloading. And runtime polymorphism we can achieve by using the method overriding. And the another is three remaining part in OOPS. We discuss. First one is association, second one is composition, and third one is aggregation. First we discuss about association. Association is refers to relation between the multiple objects. That's mean teacher and student. These are the multiple objects. In a teacher, teacher can teach multiple student in a class, and student can also learn from multiple teacher. This is the relation is called as association. Second one is composition. The composition is a strong type of association. It's said to composition of object. One another object cannot exist without one. That's mean, for example, in a car does not exist without engine. That is called as has a relationship or has a relationship. This relationship is totally depend upon both of the class. That is called as composition. Third one is aggregation. Aggregation is a weak association. That means both objects are exist independently. For example, we can discuss about same as a student and teachers also. Both teacher exists without. This is not an example for say independent example. Wait. For example, you can use the Facebook account is not login with the same mobile or same application. You login to another any website, any browser with the help of username and password. This relationship is known as aggregation. Thank you.